Today we are going to start about the next lecture. In the last lecture, we just installed some Node.js packages, and also we did some code of Hello World in the Node.js. So today we are going to install something that is a database, so Postgres database. So let's search with the Postgres and hit enter. So there will be this type of interface that you will see. So here's some guide. So Postgres is a powerful open source object relational database management system. So ORDBMS. This is so that emphasizes extendability and the standards of compliance. It supports extent of subset of the SQL standard. It's mean because if you have the large amount of data and you want to make relations of them and do it a lot more things, so this will only possible with the PostgreSQL, and there's a VectorDB also supporting. So we are going to study the AI, so artificial intelligence. We will do some vectorization, the VectorDB. We will need VectorDB. So all I need the Postgres. Okay, so we will install it by, if you are in Windows, so just search for the Postgres edb. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. ADB Enterprise download. So just open it in your next tab. So I recommend download the 16, because 16 is supported the vectorization. If you create the vector databases, so only 16 is supported, and the 16 is supported in the webs like VPS, the servers as well. Okay, so if you're Windows, just click on this button, and if you're macOS, just click on this button. This will probably download the .dmg. Just download that, and it will install. And if you're on Mac, like Postgres on Mac, so there will be some this is macOS packages, and there will be some queries like brew install brew install. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. So go to this URL like formula.brew.sh formula and Postgres at 14. So we will not install 14, we will install this 16, because that is the most recommended in the era of AI. Okay, so just put the 16 and it will install the brew install 16. Okay, and then you will kind of some errors. So just go to the GPT. Like if I go to ChatGPT, so you just need to ask, please guide me. Yeah, please guide me how to install the Postgres in. So like most of my viewers are in Windows, so we will just search Windows. So I already tell Windows, so just let me like Mac or Linux, because the Mac or Linux kind of similar things. Both of them need to install some packages. So brew it did this, and it also did this. Like brew, this is some command. You just put this prompt. If you're not this will be visible to you. Okay, I just zoom out that, just put this prompt, and this will prompt into this. Okay, so reinstall PostgreSQL and start services, and this. Okay, and if you reinstall Postgres at 16, okay, Postgres at 16, and so you can just put the version as well. And also if you are on Mac and Linux, you need to install it, and after that you would install start the services of PostgreSQL as well. Okay, so this is the services that we install, and then we will need to the interface of the Postgres. There will be, so there's interface, the PgAdmin. We will install the PgAdmin 4. Okay, so PgAdmin 4 allows for the you can download the Windows and also on Mac with the same steps. Just download it. They will be download the .dmg file. So that is kind of quick things in Mac, and also quick things in the Mac OS, like Windows as well. Okay, you just click on the download button, and then it will navigate to some pages, and I will go through each steps how you can do it. So just let's wait. It's kind of loading.
A few moments later.
So here it is. You can download the Windows. You can just this version, okay? This version. So in the Windows, this will ask you some like password. So put the password root is the like it's easy to remember, kind of, okay? Put the password root. Here these are like .exe file, okay? .exe file and the 8.14x x86 64, okay? And it will install it, okay? And now I'm going to show how it will look like after installing it. Like I'm just Postgres, no, PgAdmin, because I'm going to PgAdmin. So it's starting. Yeah, it takes some time to start because it's a heavy software. Uh, like, yeah, so I'm on a Mac. It's kind of sticky things. Okay, just click on that server, and this also asks the password. Put that password that you generated at the time of installation. Okay, I just put it. Yeah, it's installing the lot of like my databases here. So I just like learning the blockchain also. So I just put this. So I have this. So in the schemas, there will be something that you will need to some like tables. I have these tables. Okay, there will be some tables like this. Like I have the transaction table, and if you need to see that, like you just click on the view and all rows there will be some like this hash and the data and this created at and timestamp and created updated at. This is a by default. Okay, so if you are first on this, there will be no this Postgres. You will need to to make that one. Okay, you need to just register server, and you need to put the name of your server. Like my name is Zan and our YouTube channel name is Zan Codex. I will name Codex. Okay, so this will like it's also ask the addresses. I'm the local host, and also put the password on your own and the password this. And I think that's all. You just put the save button, and this will create another server like Zan Codex under this server. Okay, so here you will have the databases. Okay, and here you will have the databases as well. This is a connection because we have the local databases, and you will connect with this database as well, and this too. And with this, if you have like a first time, if you will in the first time, you will just need to right click on that. It will create databases. We will like added the name of the Zan Codex. Okay, and no, there's nothing to change. Just click save. There we go. We have a fresh Zan Codex database. Okay, so that's it. That's all about the installing section.